Okay, so I'm gonna be going over level 1 and 2. So for level 1, the square has side length 2, and so it has side length 2, and they share the same center. And so the total area of the regions that are inside the circle and outside the square, uh, the total regions that are inside the circle and outside the square are here, 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 and here. And the total area, um, the total area of the regions outside the circle and inside the square are here, 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 and here. And so all of them have this place as an overlap. And so basically the circle, okay, the circle and the rectangle and the square have the same area because it's both the brown part plus another color. And so we have that the circle, which is pi r squared, where this is r. We have that this is equal to 4. Um, can I move the square up? Okay, I'll do that later, I guess. And if we divide both sides by pi, we get r squared is 4 over pi. And so r is 2 over square root of pi. And so 2r is 4 over square root pi. And I'll move the square up, I guess. Okay, no need. Okay, so level 2. So we're given that 4 to the a equals 25, 25 to the b equals 49, 7 to the c equals 10, and 10 to the d equals 16. So if we solve for a, we get that this is 2 times log of 2 divided by 2 times log of 5, and that is log of 2 over log of 5. And for this one, we have 2 times log of 5 divided by 2 times log of 7 is log of 5 divided by log of 7. Okay. I did it backwards. Okay. Okay. So this one is log of 10 over log of 7. And the final one is log of 16 over log of 10. And if you multiply all of them together, you get log of 16 over log of 2, which is 4.